Hi, this is a review of ALV aka ALV Tubelyzer pedal from ALV Custom Pedals from East Java, Indonesia. And this is basically clone from the Ibanez tubescreamer 808 and TS9. So I'm using two humbuckers pickup in my Jaguar, and this is from Tectonic Electronic Robbie McVeigh Customs amplifiers with Lawrence speakers, 10-inch Lawrence speaker from Melbourne. And this is the clean sound from the bridge. And this is the clean sound from the neck. And this is the both pickups. And this is a split coil for the bridge pickup between humbucker and single. So right now I'm using the bridge humbucker pickup with a ALV Tubelyzer. And for the neck pickup, and for both pickup, and for the bridge single coil pickup. And this is the level on 2 o'clock, the gain on 11 o'clock, and the tone is on 1 o'clock. With a standard mode of switch, tube switch selector, and TS9. The noise that you just heard came from, I'm using very not fit ampere from the adapter to my amplifiers, and this is also from 9-volt batteries that I already use around for more than an hour. So basically this tubelyzer is a very compact and very versatile pedal for any kind of use. So don't hesitate to use it. It's very low budget and quite enough, can reliable on any kind of way. I already tried on a big amp on the Marshall GTM 45 with 1960 4x12 cabinet, and it's very kicking the ass. So enjoy the ALV Tubelyzer. I'm a lousy guitar player, what can I say, but I love the sound. I use it in every state, in every day, in any kind of way. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the ALV Tubelyzer. I'm Bid Ardian from Rainbow&Cloud.